TurboTax, TaxSlayer. Which one is the better tax software for you specifically? Today we're going to have a look at both of them. We want to put them head to head. We want to find out what their benefits are and what special features they have that makes them unique. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. Okay, so let's dive into TurboTax. So TurboTax can simplify your tax season. It transforms tax filing from complicated to simple. It guides you through the entire process with expert support as well as a bunch of smart features. Let's explore a little bit more how it stands out from other tax software options. So you get access to tax experts, and this is always fantastic. You can get answers to specific tax questions instantly. Experts guide you through confusing deductions and credits, and you have a dedicated expert handling your returns from start to finish. They'll even ensure maximum accuracy and a refund potential. You also get expert guidance, which reduces your audit risk. Complex tax situations can become more manageable with a more professional oversight. You get reviews of your information. So the system actually automatically scans your tax details for opportunities. You get personalized suggestions which appear based on your unique situation, and you can find deductions and credits you might have missed. Also, you get double checks that your returns are free of errors before submitting. And having a look at one or two of their drawbacks over here, you can expect their pricing to be quite high. Let's have a look at TaxSlayer. So TaxSlayer is a modern tax preparation software. It offers flexible cloud-based tax preparation for professionals as well as individuals. You can work from anywhere with unlimited preparation. Access client files across multiple devices without installations, and updates happen automatically in the cloud. You get multiple filing options with a quick file feature as well, so the direct form search. You can find specific tax forms without lengthy questionnaires. You get a step-by-step guide for anybody who is in need, and there are common tax forms that are ready for quick selection. The other thing is their comprehensive document import capabilities. So if you have previous returns, you can actually import PDF tax returns from other providers. And you can also do this manually. There is a W2 integration, so there's a direct import through the ADP connection, and the 1099 forms. You can actually upload that 1099 MISC and the 1099 NEC as PDFs. You can import stock transactions as well from other institutions. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for the best software, my advice is always to go and use the software. Have a real life first-hand experience with the software and see if it actually works in your specific scenario. If this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video.